Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we're back with another bold looking set of earphones. Yeah, indeed. These are precisely the Truefree T3s. They are a real funky set of earphones that have the latest Bluetooth 5.3 connection, apparently AI smart noise cancellation. They are IPX4 waterproof and reportedly have a 7 hours music playback time. Well, we will be testing them out throughout the week to see what we find out about them. But first of all guys, it would be really wonderful if you could really help us out today by subscribing just now. Not only that, please give this video a thumbs up. I personally would very much appreciate it. Cheers. So, first of all, what's in the box? Well, the earphone charge case itself comes very well protected in this foam padding. I must admit, after taking the case out, it really is a very compact case indeed. It certainly sits discreetly when it's in our pocket, but one thing I'm surprised about is how I'm loving not only the super bright orange colour tone, but all of the materials that are used. Yeah. It's a very well built charge case, and to charge this case, well, we simply got to grab and connect that black Type-C charge cable that is supplied and connect it to the bottom of the unit. Yeah, I do wish that that cable though was in orange to match. You know, I personally like to colour coordinate, yeah. No, not like that. It's a bit 80s, isn't it? Yeah, but that's not a biggie really. The charge time for the case, it will take around 1 hour 35 minutes for a full charge from flat, and when it is fully charged, it will get a charge indication to the front of the case, illuminating that LED light in green. Now, looking through the transparent lid, we will be able to keep an eye on the earbud charging illumination. The earphones themselves are tightly embedded within those charge sockets. Nope, you will get no rattling around when the case is closed. And as you can imagine, because the Truefree T3s have the latest Bluetooth 5.3 chips built in, well, pairing is not only swift to sync them by selecting this bottom Truefree T3 selection from your device list, but the transmission is not too bad. In a full concrete build home like the one we're in just now, you should be able to go upstairs, even use the bathroom, take a number 1 or even a number 2, yeah. And you should be able to continuously play your music freely. But you know what? Let's step back a sec and admire the almost Apple earbud design. Yes, the T3s might have distinct features resembling higher priced earphones, but again, I really do love how bold the Truefree earbuds look. The earphones have a lovely orange transparent design with audio vents to the front and inner sides. The main microphones are situated to the bottom, and we do have these contoured touch controls placed on either side of the earbuds, consisting of a double tap on either earphone to play pause music, a single tap again on either earphone to turn the volume up or down, with a 1.5 second hold on the left and right for the previous and next track selections.
Tell me a fact of the day.
Here is a fact. Did you know that in some very hot regions, it can be so hot that when rain hits the ground, it evaporates before the ground becomes wet. It is described as phantom rain.
Now if we press and hold either one of the touch control buttons for around about 10 seconds, this should turn each one of the earphones off. If we hold it again for 1.5 seconds, it will turn them on, or you can simply take them out of the charge case to repeat that same type of function. To be honest though, the controls, they're not the best to remember, and they are not straightforward to keep locked in your mind, for example if you're working with these earphones in place. Nope, there's no app, so you won't be able to personalise these functions, but as mentioned, because we have worked our day job with these earphones in place, I will say comfort wise that they actually are not too bad. The T3s did sit very well within our ears, not falling out not even once. They didn't make our ears ache or sweat using them for a long amount of time, and because they are IPX4 waterproof, you can use them out and about in light showers, or if you want to, use them to work out. But in regards to the passive or AI smart noise cancellation that was mentioned before, well, we didn't notice any type of noise cancellation whatsoever really, and it didn't really sound like any of the outside noise was really blanketed out that much, and that is when playing music too. But in regards to music quality, well, I really will give these Truefree T3s a real good amount of credit. The mids and high levels are not too bad, to be honest. I would say that they surprisingly sound real nice. The mids never sound like they was overpowering all the other tones, and that's the same with the high tones too. We were pumping out some good energizing vibes most of the time, but even though bass is present, it did drop off with certain genres of music, which it was more noticeable when playing hip hop tunes. That deep, thudding, impactive bass is very much absent, but instead I do think that these T3s do aim more or less for markets of people that do prefer pop music, classical, or even rock music. Don't get me wrong, like I mentioned, audio was pretty good. We did enjoy blasting out some tunes for a real good number of hours. In fact, we did pass the 4 hours 7 minute mark before we had to boost them within the charge case. And when we went ahead and switched on the gaming mode, well, for example, when either watching video content or doing a bit of gaming on our phone, the T3s allowed us to enjoy content with no noticeable delay. While gaming, even though 40 milliseconds of latency was specified, we truly didn't experience any type of latency issues, which is kind of surprising, considering that these are indeed a budget set of earphones. During our microphone test though. Alright guys, so in regards to the microphone pickup, this is exactly what the microphone pickup is going to be like when connecting these earphones to your mobile device. So in regards to making videos or any type of calls, because the AI technology, that noise cancellation technology, is trying to block out the outside noise from our surroundings. For example, we've got dogs barking most of the time outside. We've got Muppets out on the street making a racket, as well as the parents too. We've got cooking going on downstairs, and we've got the TV on in the background. Can you hear anything? No, it's quite silent, right? But this is where the noise cancellation and the voice pickup tries to balance itself out. In regards to the voice pickup, it's not the best, to be truly honest. I would say it's alright to do a bit of FaceTime using these earphones in place, but in regards to making any type of videos, I would say it's quite a big no. Overall, the microphones on these earphones are pretty much average. But one thing I will say is that latency, there's no issues whatsoever. As you can tell, my lips are indeed in sync with the video recording that we're recording just now. Overall, for £26, that's around 33 in US dollars. I think that the T3s do offer value for money. That is, if you're looking for a unique, bold set of earphones that offer slightly above average audio quality. On the go, you will gain around about 21 hours extra playback time using that charge case. Nope, not the 25 hours that other reviewers have stated. We don't read off the back of the box, guys, no. We truly test the products out on this channel. We got just above 21 hours usage with our charge case, charging our earphones numerous amounts of times while at work. And while out and about with these earphones, they do draw attention, they are nice and bright, totally standing out from the normal everyday white and black earphones that you see, and for everyday use, I can certainly recommend them. I really do like them. I'm going to give a 7 out of 10, and I will be linking them in the video description down below for you guys to check out for yourselves. But if you have liked what you've seen within this video, well, don't wait about and go get yours, will you? Again, it would mean so much if you please like and share this video wherever possible. Even more so, please support us 100% by subscribing, will you? Come on. Bearing in mind though to hit that bell notification option so you guys will stay notified of our very next video uploads. Yes. Now, if this video hasn't interested you, but you want to see some of our previous ones, well, check these interesting videos popping up on screen just now. Look at this little baby here, look. Come on, that surely should interest you. Hang on a sec, hang on. Yeah, what about this one here? Come on, click it. Oh well then, hopefully you'll find our next video interesting. Stay tuned for that.